formations that our cave has to offer. They all fit into this very room in one photograph. So we're going to go over some of those formations we've already seen. Does anyone remember what that first formation I pointed out was that was hanging from the ceiling in petrified gardens?
Stalactite.
Okay, stalactite, and I got specific about it. Remember?
Straw.
Straw, that's right. Soda straw. So we have a lot of those above us here. You see how thin they are? They are hollow. But sometimes they'll become clogged with something large, like a piece of sediment or a crystal that's too big. And the water can no longer move through it. It has to move around it more like an icicle. So you'll get something bigger like this. So the way I remember it is stalactites hang tight to the ceiling. Stalagmites might reach the ceiling one day. So they do typically form on top of each other like this, though not always. And the stalagmites form when that water drips down. So it doesn't always leave behind calcite on the ceiling. Sometimes it waits till it hits the floor to leave behind the calcite. That's how we get these formations. And they do grow closer together and eventually meet to form a column. And that's kind of like the grand column we got to see at that last stop we were at. And then Niagara Falls was does anyone remember? What stone? Yeah.
Flowstone?
That's right, exactly. So flowstone back here on the floor of the room. It was a flowstone formation. And then draperies. I haven't really talked about draperies yet, but you guys have been seeing them everywhere. In fact, these are what they look like. They're kind of like ribbons, curtains, draperies, whatever you want to call them. Yeah.
Cave bacon.
Cave bacon, exactly. This is cave bacon as well. So it's considered cave bacon when you shine your light through it and you can see the light coming out on the other side. And it looks exactly like bacon. When you see it, you would definitely know why it's called that. But this just forms when water drizzles down the wall of the room, and it follows that same path repeatedly, leaving behind calcite as it goes. So we get these awesome drapery of bacon formations. Do you guys have any questions?